Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 Toyota Yaris XL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning with the mild hybrid system up to 65 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 14 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 29,000 miles and comes with a full service history from Toyota. This colour is the metallic Titan bronze and looks in great condition compared to mileage of the car. Having a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior, and also having the lighted trim, it certainly brightens things up inside. There's a armrest there in the centre, as well as two cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and then automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card your electric folding mirror and full window controls. For a small hatchback, the Yaris has a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate, you have a nice deep boot with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, which is very rare these days, we've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.